Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to see how we can have an image effect with only CSS like this. You have the white image or white logo, and then whenever you hover over, then it gets colorful. So first of all, let's see how we can do it. So here is a basic image tag here and the source of the image, and we have put the body background color to gray. Now, what we have to do, we have to write some CSS. So you can write direct on the image tag, or you can define a class. So I'm going to write directly on the image tag. So I'm writing on image, then I'll just write the filter, then it should say brightness to 0 and then invert to 1. Then you got the exact thing what we are looking for. It was first colorful and then now it's totally white. So now what we have to do, for extra browser support, we can add this filter prefix option here. So let's say WebKit filter brightness. So this is just for a browser support, exactly the same thing. Now, whenever we hover over the image, we want to change it to colorful. Copy the image tag, hover, then we can define the color. So we can easily say that this filter should go none, and then we can say the WebKit filter should be grayscale to 0. And let's save it and let's hover over it. Boom, that's done. So that's how you can easily make this white to colorful image or logo effect with only a couple of lines of CSS. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe the channel, and if you want to support me, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching.